The introduction is often the hardest part of an essay because of all the pressure to make it great. And I get it. But instead of stressing about coming up with new, exciting ways to start each essay, I want to show you a systematic approach that you can apply each time while still being great. Let's start with the purpose. So the purpose of an introduction is to introduce your reader to your essay. To do this effectively, there are 4 elements you want to include: a hook, background information, your thesis, and the essay objectives. Starting with the hook, this is where you introduce the topic of your essay. Next, you want to provide background information. This could be relevant context. You might even define some important key terms. Then you want to include your thesis statement because this contains the central purpose, claim, or argument regarding your topic. This is what's going to be explained throughout the essay. And then finally, you want to close with a brief overview of how your essay is structured. A quick note on writing introductions is that you can write it whenever you want. A lot of times, it's easier to write it as the last piece of your essay. But let's go ahead and write the introduction for the essay we've been working on. So starting with the hook. And this is generally where all that pressure comes from. So to simplify this, when writing a hook for an academic essay, just remember you need to introduce the topic of your essay. Our topic is the impact social media has on interpersonal relationships, so my hook might be something like this. In the modern digital age, social media has revolutionized the way people form and maintain relationships, offering instant connectivity and global interaction. It's simple, but clear and concise. Next, we want to include some background information. Now, we don't need to define any key terms since we're using words that are all commonly known. You'll only want to define key terms if they're not commonly known. For example, we're not going to define social media. Instead, we might indicate the changes taking place due to social media in interpersonal relationships. So I might write something like, platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok enable individuals to maintain relationships despite physical distance, creating a sense of constant connection. However, this digital evolution has also altered the nature of interpersonal relationships, often prioritizing convenience over depth. So with that, our reader now knows what our essay is about and has some background information regarding it. Now is the perfect time to introduce our position on our topic, so I'm going to insert our thesis statement next. And we created this thesis statement in a previous video, but it reads, as a result, social media has increased the availability of communication. However, excessive use undermines interpersonal relationships by removing essential nonverbal cues, promoting superficial interactions, and fostering detrimental social comparisons. So as you can see, we've told the reader that our position is that social media undermines interpersonal relationships, meaning that it has a negative impact. And then to follow that up, we've included the 3 reasons that support this position. Not only that, but these 3 reasons are going to be the main points that we're going to discuss within our essay. Now we just need one more element to complete our introduction, which is a brief overview of how our essay is structured. This essay will carefully examine these consequences as well as offer practical solutions for bonding through social media and establishing healthy digital practices. So this is the final element, meaning that our introduction is complete. Our reader is clear on our essay with the correct expectations. Now we can start writing, starting with our first paragraph. And over the next few videos, I'm going to write each paragraph for this essay, but I'm going to use different structures for each one that you can use to structure your paragraphs. I'll see you in the next one.